Okay. Go, Sean, open up. Keep going, Utley, keep going. Get out of here, Sean. Go, Sean.
Good job, Ed.
Right here, yep.
Don't let him push you.
Behind. Right here, Sean. 40.
Go back now.
That's you, Utley.
Go, guys. Go, guys.
Let it drop, kid.
Get in there, Ev.
Let's go.
Nice, Jeremiah.
Throw it in. Nope, that's off of black. Go, Ev. There you go. Go, Owen. Go. Swatch it. There you go. Open up, Sean. Open up.
No.
There you go, Dylan.
There. Turn, Owen. Turn. Get out of here, Sean. Go. There you go, Ev.
He's offside by a ton.
Handball.
No, over the 3 fouls. Okay. You guys got it.
Holy smokes.
Go.
Learned my lesson.
You can't.
Good job, Saint.
Shot.
Good Saint, keep going.
Oh, yeah, this is that goalie with the
Good
big
shot,
foot.
Nico.
Open up, Sean. Sean, over here. Go. Up the line, Sean. Get out of here.
You got him, Michael.
Go.
That's yours, bud.
Go, Michael. Go,
Good job, Michael. Shoot it.
Go, Zane. Go. Get Zane. You're forward, dude.
Don't wait.
Nice idea, Dylan.
Go on, Michael. Run.
Save it, Octavio. There.
Get up, Mike.
Down the line. Go. Keep going, Utley.
Good try.
Black ball, over here.
Utley, get back on D. Go. Oh, my bad.
Get it, Dylan.
It's all right, Sean. Get back on D.
Go. Look at Saint. Good job, Dylan. Good throw. Go, Saint, go.
Go on, Michael. That's yours. Stay on it, Evan.
Stay on it, Sean.
Good job, Michael.
There you go.
Go, Michael.
Go, Owen. Get out of here.
Good job. Go, Saint. Give yourself a shot.
Go, turn, Owen. Turn. That's us. Throw it in, Sean. No, it's fine. No, it's out. Throw it in, Sean.
50, Dylan.
Go. There you go, Sean. Down the sideline, Sean. Down the sideline.
Keep going.
There you go. Keep going, Sean.
Theo.
Nice, Theo.
Turn. Get him, Owen.
Oh, get up, Theo.
Clear it. There you go. Go, Evan.
Good job, Michael. Good job, Michael. Keep going, Michael. Good job, Michael.
Get it on, Dad.
Go, Saint, go.
Go kick. You're forward, Zane.
Go, guys, go.
Open up, Ev.
Take it. It's us.
Go, Octavio. Get rid of it, Owen. There you go. Get out of here, Sean. Go. Oh. It's all right, Owen.
I guess he must have nicked off the other. Because even coach was saying that.
Got it.
Good job, Michael. Good throw, Michael. Cross it, Jeremiah.
There you go. Shot, Michael. Shot.
Go, Owen, go.
Keep going, do it.
Shot, Dylan.
It's wide.
Well done, Dylan.
Hey, good shot, Dylan.
Good shot.
Good job, boys. Keep that press.
But I couldn't do it for Marilyn because she has like a bow and everything.
Get ready, Sean. Get ready. Right here, Sean.
Send it, kid.
Go fast.
There you go. Get on defense.
Nico, say
Again. Who's on 10?
nice
Come
throw.
get it, Saint.
Go, Ev, go.
You ready?
There you go.
You ready?
Keep. Over here, Sean.
Send
No.
it.
There you go, Sean.
Michael, good job, bud.
There you go. Go, Sean. There you go.
Go, wait, go.
One. Go, Sean. Keep going, Sean. Keep going. Leave it.
Way to get back there, bud.
Get out of there, Zane.
Good defense, guys.
Zane, you're in the middle, dude.
Nice hustle.
Good luck today, parents.
Thank you.
There you go. Toe in. There you go.
Get out of there, guys.
Send it. It's all right. Get back. Get back.
Go, buddy. Go fast. Go, guys.
No, it's theirs. It's theirs. Just Sean.
Go over.
Body, go, body.
There you go.
Go.
Down. Get up.
Get up.
There you go. Go, Zane. Go. Take a shot, Zane.
Stop him.
It's all right. It's all right. Good job, Zane.
Hey, the second that leaves his hands, you see where it goes. Body.
Go, Sean. Go, Sean. Go. Go, Sean.
Oh, good idea. Good job, Zane. Keep going, Zane. Go, Jeremiah.
Stay on him, Ev. Good pressure, Evan.
Try. Good job, Nico. Go, boys, go.
Get back, Sean.
Take a shot.
There you go.
Nice pass, Say,
Go.
Send it.
There you go. Go, Sean. Go. Go, Sean. Oh. Clear it. There you go. To Evan, to the other side. It's fine. It's fine. Get back on defense. Defense.
Body.
Turn. That's us.
There you go. Go, Sink.
One guy to beat. Oh.
Get there, Owen. Get there. There you go. Go, Owen.
Get it, Dylan. Turn it, Jeremiah.
Go, Ev.
Go, Sink. Go.
Pass, Jeremiah. Chippy team. Always happens. We're the first game.
To Owen. Switch it to Sean. There you go. Good turn. Go, Sean.
Good job, Mike. Go, Sink.
There you go. Where?
Drop.
That's all right. Arbo. Right here. Sean. Go. Oh.
Good job, Graybo.
Still passing.
There you go, Mike.
Switch it. To Evan. To the other side. Other side. There you go. Pressure him, Zane. Pressure him, Zane. Go to him. Now, go.
Grayson,
Five on
come
two,
here.
guys.
Huh? He didn't touch it the first time.
Be careful, Bubba.
He didn't touch it the first time.
Watch for
But
that
they just
defender.
got it. They're like, the goalie has
Now
the
go,
ball,
Grayson.
so
Now
they
get away
stop.
from the
They're
ball. Go.
not used to goalie.
Go.
Nice.
Get in the middle. Get in the middle, Bob.
Which makes sense.
Take it from him. Go, Zane. Send him.
Get it, Grayson.
Go, Sean.
Go, Mike. Go, Dylan.
It's all right, Sean. It's all right. Leave it.
Get up.
Clear it. Go, Zane.
Good job, Dylan, again.
There you go, Zane. Go, Ev. In the middle, Zane.
Shoot it.
Oh. Go kick.
Saint,
Goal kick.
can we score now? Okay.
Turn around.
Buddy.
You ready on that?
There you go.
Turn around. Zane, back up, Zane.
You can hit it in the goal from there, you guys.
Yeah, look at here. Get it,
That's-
Grayson. Get it. You got to win it, buddy.
There you go. Turn.
You
Let.
got to fight it, bud.
Go.
Be aggressive.
Now fight it. Go. Win. Fight. Go.
Nice,
Get it.
Go. Pressure him. There you go. Just pressure him, Sean. Make him pick it up. Go, Sean.
Fight.
Go. Turn.
Saint. Get it, Saint.
Go, Sean. Go, Sean.
Go, Dylan.
Good job.
Mike,
Pass.
Let it go.
put them under pressure.
Fight him.
That's us. Throw it in.
Keep going.
Go,
Keep
go.
going. Fight. Get it, Grayson.
job.
Get it. Fight it, buddy.
There you go. Go, Ev. Go, Ev. Go, Ev. To Ev. Pass the ball.
Go, Grayson, go.
Get back, Owen.
Get open. Get open, away from the ball, buddy.
4 on
Find an
2.
open
4 on
spot.
2.
There you go.
I like that, Grayson.
Steal the pass.
Throw it in. Again, Octavio. Jeez. Oh, I mean, there you go, Ishmael.
It's like a me.
Go, Ev.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, Michael.
Oh, my God.
Nice, Grayson. Take it, Saint.
Oh,
Hey, good, bud.
Keep going, Greg. Keep
Turn.
going. Fight.
Oh, you're offsides, Ishmael. You're offsides. Now. Throw it in. Throw it in. Adley, throw it in. To Ishmael. To Ishmael.
Saint.
Make a run.
Grayson, go
Snap
to the
out
middle,
of it.
buddy. Get in the middle, Grayson.
Where you at, Ev?
Grayson, get in the middle.
In the middle, Evan.
Pass it.
In the middle. Oh.
Good idea, boys.
Good cross, Sean. Good cross. Just like that. Just like that. Ishmael, back up. Back up.
Pass him.
Go. What? Oh, don't jump at him.
Get it, buddy.
Turn, Owen.
Control it, buddy. Control that ball. First touch.
Open up, Ev. Open up.
Keep going, bud.
Nice.
Michael, stay on your side.
Go, Sean, in the middle. Oh.
Go.
Good save. Good save.
Say, Dio.
Go. Go.
Now get it, buddy. Go. That's you, bro.
Saint.
There you go. Go, Ishmael. Watch the bounce.
Michael, get him. Nice, Dylan.
Get over there, Evan.
Grayson, move away from the ball.
Go, Ev.
Go, go, go.
Again.
Evan, go. There you go.
Go, Ishmael. Watch the bounce.
Get it, buddy. Get it.
Oh, get there, Sean. Get there, Sean. Get there, Sean. It's all right.
Find an open space, buddy.
Leave it. 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 Right there. Right here. Right here, Sean. Right here. Right here.
Control it, buddy. Go.
There you go, Sean. There you go. There you go.
Help.
It's all right. It's all right. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Seven.
Grayson, you need to push up, buddy.
Right here, Sean. This guy.
Push
Right
up,
here.
buddy.
This
Push
guy
up,
right here.
Grayson.
Up.
Push up. Go. Go. Get it. Get it. Get it. Go. 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 Go.
Going.
Go. Pass.
Good job, guys.
Go.
Keep going.
Go, boys. You got no
Drop
room.
back.
Come on, boys. Have a shot.
Take a shot, boys. Take a shot.
Keep.
Have a shot.
Get there, Owen. There you go.
Now take it, Dylan.
Stay with it.
Ball. Control it.
Stay on him.
Saint, shoot the ball.
Clear it. Go, Ev. Go. Go. Ah.
Stop him, Michael.
Dismill, drop. You're offside.
Good job, bud.
Throw it in, Octavio.
Stay up. Don't defend.
Oh, Owen.
Michael.
There you go.
Keep going, buddy. Keep going. Push up. Push up, big guy.
Nice, Utley.
Nice. Good job, Ev.
Maybe we can play it. It's Theo. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Utley behind you. '64, Ev.
Take it, Saint.
Shot.
Good job, Saint. Good job, Saint. Good job, Grayson. Nice assist, bud. Good job, boys. Way to go, Saint.
It's okay, boys. Check it out. Right, guys. Got a lot of games left.
I know, hurry up.
Theo, hurry up. Get back.
Let's
Theo,
go.
heads up, dude. Theo, heads up.
Shot.
Heads up. Oh, he can't be over here. Is he allowed to be over there?
Go. Go, Ishmael. Get in the middle, Ev.
Go, Mike. Go, Mike.
Come on, Sean.
Evan, push up. Get him. Get him.
Mason, pass it back.
Pass it. Pass it to Mike. Pass it to Mike. Good job, buddy.
Beautiful ball work,
Keep
Grayson.
going, Greg. Keep going.
Shot!
Good, Utley. To Evan.
Up the line.
Turn, Ev. Nice.
Nice.
Get it, Michael.
24, Evan.
Good job, Gray. Nice pass to Saint, dude. He's offside.
Go.
Go, Saint.
Go. Go, Ishmael, go.
Gotta stop him, Dylan.
You gotta
job, Dylan.
Hey, he's not gonna call it, Theo. Just be ready. He's not
Here.
gonna call it, dude.
Go. Down the line. Go now.
Go down the line.
Again.
Good
Again,
job,
Utley.
Dylan.
Again.
Cross the middle. Cross the middle.
It's not your ball. I thought you couldn't sub when it's not your
Good job,
ball.
boys.
Hey, was it the shoe?
Not Mike. Not Mike.
Evan, look at this mouth. Look at this mouth.
Ishmael.
Was it the shoe, Zay?
Get in the box, Evan.
I like it. You ready, Grayson? Push up, buddy. You ready, Grayson? You ready?
Drop, drop,
Push up,
drop.
buddy. Push up, buddy. Push up.
Switch it. One, Owen.
Get in there. Shot.
Go, Owen. You made a good
You ready,
pass
Gray?
to you. That's us. You, Utley.
Quickly, quickly.
Now, in the middle.
Push up in the middle, Bubba.
Back to Utley.
In the middle, Bub.
Oh, what?
Us.
Leave it,
Get up,
Sean.
Michael.
Push up,
Mike.
Bubba. Be as deep as that defender, big
There
guy.
you go.
As deep as this defender.
Switch it. Switch it.
Michael.
Get out of there,
Got it.
Sean.
Go, Michael. Get it up.
Get up. Drop,
Go,
dude.
go, 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 go. Get it. Go.
You gotta go.
Go, Grayson, go.
Guys, got.
Stay on him, Ev.
Nice.
Nice,
Grayson.
Grayson.
Greg, keep
There you go.
going. Keep
Go,
going.
turn.
Go, go, go.
Oh, we made a
Good job, Greg.
simple pass to you and you didn't even get to it.
Michael.
Shot.
Michael, look at Michael.
Our ball.
He's not home.
Great teamwork, LGU. Look for the
I
passes.
guess we gotta know that. Do it ourselves. Ready, buddy? As soon as that ball releases, big guy, you got it.
You're ready. You're ready, Sean.
Go, go, Grayson, go. You ready?
Open up to
Do
the.
it.
Get it.
Dude.
Keep going, dude. Keep going.
Evan.
Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop.
It's our ball.
Grayson, good hustle, buddy. Keep it going.
Yo, Sean, get closer. Get closer. Get closer. Owen, get available for him. Oh.
Now it's us. Now it's us.
Turn around.
Go.
Come on, Audax.
One of you clear the ball.
Yes, Grayson.
All right, buddy. Good idea, bud. Good idea.
Good boy, Grayson.
Keep
Come
going.
on, Sean. Come on, Sean.
He didn't come in.
Yeah.
Give it to them.
Again.
It did. It didn't come in. Go, Grayson.
There you go. Oh, come on, Sean.
That one did.
Grayson, I'll take it. Grayson, I'll take
No.
it.
No, no, no. Someone else needs to throw it. You get open. Last week, Mike. Here. I know. I don't remember. I have a short-term memory problem.
Clear it.
Nice.
Go, go, Owen.
Battle, Dylan. Battle.
Go. Switch it. Switch the ball.
Go, go, Grayson. Bust up. Bust up.
Oh, Utley. Where you at, Owen? Where you at?
Good job. Take a shot. Take a shot.
It's in.
Good shot, bud. Get it, Grayson.
Oh, good save, Ezekiel.
Good shot, bud. Go, go, go. Get it, get it.
Evan, get ready.
Good try, buddy. Grayson, good hustle. Good hustle, bud.
Hey, hard shoes, guys.
Go, 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 Sean.
Yeah, Dylan.
Come on.
Mike, get him.
You better go. He's on.
Open up. Open up.
Send it.
Ready, buddy.
Open up. That's us. You, Utley. Get out of here, Sean. Up here.
Push the wrong kid. Mike has been
Go, go, Sean. Down the sideline. Go. Go. Oh, that's us. Go, Utley. Go, go. Sean,
Go,
up.
Ezekiel, Ezekiel.
Where you at, Owen?
Evan, you gotta drop.
Switch it.
dude.
Grayson, move up, move up, move up. You ready, Grayson? You ready?
Go, Octavio. Go to him. Nice tackle.
He's throwing his hand up like I told him to.
Get up. Go, Owen.
Go, Dylan, go.
Shot, Dylan.
Get it out of there, Audax.
Win it, bud.
Ball.
Where's the midfield?
Great.
Take your shot, bud.
One more.
Clear it. Up.
Help him out.
Keep.
Go get it, bud.
Leave it.
Throw him out, Greg.
Oh my goodness.
Control it. You got space. Get it right.
Get it
Good job, Mike.
And that's why you leave the ball.
Good job, guys. Good job, Mike. Good job, Greg. Way to hustle.
And that's
there,
why
big
you
guy.
leave the ball.
Here we go, 6-7. Hey, heads up, Theo.
What was the literal point of saving that?
Theo, get in the box, Bubba. Heads up. They might go for a shot.
Let's go. Oh, go, Evan.
Boot it.
Good job, Mike.
Oh, and you got to go quicker than that, dude. Our ball.
Ready? You ready?
Theo, buddy, Theo. Keep teeing up.
Go up.
Go, Grayson, go.
Oh.
Go, Grayson. Push up. Push up, buddy.
Get there.
We
It's
have
our
to
ball.
score 17.
Good switch.
Well, if they tie or if they lose.
I should have the language. Our
Go, Grayson,
Go.
Go, Bubba.
Let's go,
Sorry.
Audax.
Kick it up. Go, Evan.
Get it downfield. Boot it.
To Sean. Pass the ball. There you go, Sean. Good job, Sean. Keep it in, Sean. Nice work. Nice work. Corner kick.
Smile. Come on, Audax, let's get it.
Towards the back post, Evan.
You ready, guys? There you go. Get ready, Grayson. Get ready. Look up.
Go, Sean. There you go. Oh.
There you go, Grayson. Get it.
Get it, Grayson.
Start.
Ezekiel. There you go. Turn, Owen. Or go, Sean. To Evan, to the other side. Sorry. We got to switch the ball. Leave it. To Evan, now.
Mike's pay attention.
Ready, buddy.
Again.
Good job, Dylan. Keep
There you go.
the tee up. There you go. Good job, 5-8.
What is that? What is
Get
that?
ready.
Drop.
No, he's forward.
Yeah, well, let's get a goal, Sam.
Get ready.
Go.
Nice, Dylan.
Switch it.
Go.
To Evan. Oh, there you go.
Help out.
Go, Ev. Go.
Get ready.
Good job, Josh.
Stay.
Good control, Josh.
There you go. Yes. Got it. Keeper's going to play way out. Shoot from further.
Woo! Beautiful. Good job, guys. Yo. All right, come on, LGU.
Well, if the goalie's going to play at the top of the 18 like that,
Yeah, true. Yeah.
I mean, he's gonna try to shoot from right here.
Yes, Mel, they're going to shoot.
They're gonna shoot. Get in front of the ball. Right. Zane, back up.
Go, Theo.
Oh.
Back, bud.
Theo, you can't.
Go, Grayson.
That was a
go.
good- that
Push
was a
up.
good
It's
shot,
our ball.
Theo.
It's our ball. Go. Push up, Black. Push up.
Come on, Audax.
Grayson, get open. Good job, buddy.
Dylan, you scoot up.
Mike,
Get it out of there, guys.
Okay, get up.
Back ball.
You ready, buddy?
Don't get it past him. Let's go. Run it up.
There you go.
Grayson, go left. Good job, son.
Halftime.
Halftime.
Sorry, boys.
Good job, 65.
Keep going, LG. Let's go.
Good job, boys.
Go for it. Probably use the game.
Why don't you go play with Grayson's brother? You want to play with me? All right, let's go over here.
good spot.
He'll do it if he scores.
In the back. Great. Apparently, great-great-grandmother, I have Irish blood.
Oh, well, you do look. I was gonna say the.
You can tell?
Yeah.
Maybe
Maybe.
from her. She's got the race.
Maybe Dylan's got the fighting Irish. Oh, great catch.
Oh.
Snuck it in there.
Hey Robert, how are you? It's been a while. Hey, I was wondering, you know, if my Letterman jacket still around?
Yes. I know.
Okay.
I mean,
Oh, did she? Where can I come by sometime?
I know. Yeah.
It is better than like my friends who
It was in the hall closet.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, if I can come.
What?
Gotcha.
That was a great throw. How do you get your surprise?
It's on my mom's side.
Hey guys,
I just take it all. Yeah. Are you around? Yeah. Sure. Are you around today? You'll be home later. Okay. Yeah, I'll give you a call. Yeah, that sounds good.
I can see that. You're not judgy.
Sit down now.
I'll take a bunch of it in the truck. Alright, yeah, cool. Sounds good. Alright.
Put it in the center, Dylan. What time is he going to be home? Put it in the center. Okay, like he just got home. Got it.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
It was freezing last night.
Very good. Keep pushing.
They started out
That's
first
good.
place.
Owen, take the kick.
LT did. And it was like, oh no, and then the
I think it's our ball, right?
team just like scored. Yeah, it was 45-21. They probably played their best after that.
No, I think Ishmael's defender.
They were undefeated. Palma from Celestis. So they, get ready, Theo.
Go, Ellie, go.
Get up.
Go, Ellie.
You're good.
Michael, come on.
Take a shot, Ellie. Take a shot.
That's it.
That's all right.
He's
We're powered.
You're in the middle, Zane. Or you're up. Oh, you're forward. Huh? No, he's forward.
He was a stud.
Yeah.
Go!
Down in like the second half. What happened was, like, turn it, buddy, turn it. Outside.
There you go, Sean. Tully. Go, Owen, towards the goal, Owen.
And all of a sudden they got
There you go. Good work, Owen. Go! Oh!
Good job, though. Good job.
That's fine. Good job, Utley.
Pressure him.
Keep pressuring him. He'll turn it over.
Body.
That's fine. Go, Utley, go.
job. Keep going, Jeremiah. Keep
Yep.
going, Jeremiah.
Don't worry
That's
about
it.
the
Come,
call.
go.
Just get up and go.
Stay fast.
There you go. Turn, Owen.
You're ready, Gracie. You're ready.
There you go, Sean. Get there. Sean.
job, Dylan.
Good job, Dylan.
Don't you go. Yeah, guys.
Keep fighting, buddy.
Go, Saint. Keep going.
There you go.
Good job.
You ready, Grayson? Go get it, Bubba. Get it. Get it, Grayson. Get
No,
it.
not in the
Go,
middle.
Jeremiah, go. Go, Jeremiah. Score it. Good shot, Jeremiah.
Go, Bully.
There you go. Open up. Right here. Right here.
Grayson, turn around.
Go.
Turn
Get out
around.
of here, Utley.
Grayson, turn
Go,
around.
Utley.
Evan, you got room, bro.
You okay?
There you go. Turn. Go, Owen. That's you. Turn, Owen. To Sean. To Sean. No.
Good job, Saint.
Why?
Go, Grayson. Get up.
No, not that one.
Go, Grayson. Go.
What?
Get up,
Wait.
get in the middle.
Ishmael, behind you. Behind you, Ishmael. Behind you.
In the middle by the goal, Gray.
That's fine.
Jeremiah.
That's fine.
You're all right, buddy.
Way to be there.
Go, Grayson.
Go,
Go get
go,
it. Go
Ishmael.
get it.
Go. Nice. That's fine.
Good
That's
job,
fine.
buddy. That's us.
Last ball, you okay, bud?
Late tackle.
Hey guys, you okay?
You okay, Bubba?
Both coaches.
I think they hit knees. I think they just.
You good?
You guys are good?
Keep going, bud. They hit knees. That hurt.
Tracy, you want to throw it in?
That was an amazing tackle.
Oh, is it his ankle?
Okay. You sub out or are you good? Sure.
Don't take a knee. Grayson, take some.
Mason.
Graybo.
You're in, Ev.
Hold on, buddy. Hold on.
You're up here. You're up here.
Grayson.
I think so.
Until the coach gets off the field.
Grayson, wait for the whistle,
Grayson.
okay, buddy?
Grayson.
Let's go. Sean, call for the ball.
Don't be outside.
Grayson, push up.
Oh. Oh.
Go, Grayson. I'll push up, buddy. Push up.
There you go. Get out of here, Ev.
Get it.
Go, Ev. Turn.
Wrong
Turn.
way, bub.
Nope. There you go. Arvo. Leave it. Or get.
Yep.
Go.
Down the line.
Down the line.
That way. The goal's over there.
Oh, the other way, Owen.
Push up, buddy. Push up.
Why are you turning that way? Get Ev.
Grayson,
Get it. Stay up.
Get rid of it, dude.
Turn.
There we go. Let's say take you, buddy.
Get it. Make a wall. Make a wall. The goalie's probably gonna shoot.
Yeah, Saint.
Our goalie could shoot from it.
Push up, buddy.
Get in front of the ball.
Push up, Grayson. Push up.
The ball is over here.
Do it, Saint. Find your corner.
Ball the shot.
Get over there. Get it. Go.
Still didn't mark the guy that.
Good job, boys. Oh, no.
I think they ran into each other.
If you're gonna mark that guy, you still didn't even mark him.
Nico, good hustle, dude. You ready, Theo? Get ready,
Now
buddy.
it's Owen. What didn't mark the?
Get ready, Theo. As soon as that ball's touched, Grayson, you bust it. As soon as it's touched, you go. Go.
Get out of here, Ev. Oh my goodness.
Good shot, bud.
You got to be quicker than that, Owen.
You ready, buddy? Get ready. Go, Grayson. Go get the ball. Go get the
Send
ball.
it.
Go. Go.
Get it, buddy. Go. Go, Grayson. Go.
Foul.
Let's call it again.
Come on,
Do it
Ev.
again. Thank you, Rev.
Your son hit another level, dude. You see what's happening, right?
Yeah.
You see he's playing.
Make a wall. Get in front of the ball.
This is great coming out party. Like he's gotten better all year, but he just hit a new.
In front of the ball.
He's dominating.
You ready, Grayson? Follow it. Follow it. Oh, bummer. Good shot, Tate.
Good shot.
Good shot, Saint.
Hey, good shot, son.
Useless.
Good take, Saint. Good take.
I don't think it works like that.
Grayson, as soon as that ball releases, buddy, you get it.
Where's the other defender? Oh. Oh.
Hey, get ready, get ready. Grayson, you gotta
Go
play.
up.
You gotta play.
And
you
in the
gotta
middle,
play, you
Evan.
gotta
In the
play.
middle. In the middle.
Hey, I didn't go to East Coast, but I do got.
Where's Sean? Down the line, Sean. Evan, more in the middle. In the middle. Hang on. Go, Sean. Get in the... Us. Make a run towards
To the goal, guys.
towards the goal.
Let's go.
Cross it. Cross. There you go, Ev.
Get ready, Grayson, get ready.
Drop back. Take it, Ev. That's fine, Owen. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine, Owen. Good work. Good work. Leave it.
I'll take it.
Leave it.
Maya, I'll take it.
Good job, Bob.
Stay on him. Get there, Owen. Clear it out. Oh, my goodness, Owen. Oh, my goodness, Owen.
There you go. Nice goal, Bob.
It's okay, Ev. It's okay.
You can't do anything about that, Evan. You have your job. You have your job.
Are you alive?
Grayson, all right, buddy, get ready in there.
I'm not going to go at this point.
Grayson, go get the penny on, buddy. Go put the penny on. Go get the penny. I have a white jersey.
It's like team.
Coach, I got a white jersey. You're okay?
They're the Bulldogs.
263.
They don't care.
You ready, buddy?
These guys, we go to war with each other and wear each other's underwear. I think they don't care at all.
It's all inside out.
You have to think of other animals now. What else might be in there?
Good job, big guy.
Watch, they're gonna shoot it, Grayson.
It's a nice
Get
goal,
ready,
Mike.
bub.
Evan, go crush the goal. Still got to
You
work.
ready, big guy?
Still got to work.
And they wanted theirs too. They called it. Yeah, right after us.
Oh, actually, that is a
Good teamwork, dude.
not a college student.
All right, let's go.
Just curious if we score directly from a 4.
Yeah, they're on the same
Boys.
Let's go, boys.
goal change. Oh, switching goal.
Yeah, but it's taken them like 3 minutes just to get their gloves on.
And the clock's still ticking.
Let's get it going, ref.
You're good. Go. You're good.
Let's go.
School I went to in Ireland.
You're good, dude. Throw your thumb up. Let's go. Put your thumb up, dude.
It's like basketball, but you don't basketball.
Yes. Go.
Oh yeah, and then hockey.
Get ready, buddy. Get ready.
Skirts.
Oh, it's all right. Go, Ev. Go, Evan. Go. Take it. There you go, Evan. Go. Shot, Ev.
Shoot!
There we go. That's money right there. Just like that, Ev. Just like that. That's why you attack the goal.
Beautiful job!
It's 2-4. 2-4-2.
Beautiful, baby. Good job.
Sorry, bub. That was a good shot, man.
Evan couldn't buy a goal for like 3 weeks.
That was a nice shot.
He's hit the crossbar like 6 times into this month.
The same for the first 4 games.
Yeah.
Get it, Theo.
Go! Get out of here, Ev. Oh, and to Evan.
There you go.
Go, Theo.
Take it, Theo.
It's all right. Stay on him, Owen. Stay on him, Owen. Stay on him, Owen.
Go.
Stay on him.
Shot!
Going,
Have a
Theo.
shot! He's his left leg. He's not very good with it. Oh.
It's all right. Way to stay in front of him.
Get ready, big guy. Hey, Grayson. Always be ready.
You just keep pressuring, Ev.
Yeah, I would have.
Go to the ball.
Go.
Oh.
Nice try, guys.
Good take, Theo.
Just like that, Theo. Just like that. Do it again.
Octavio, 63. Goal side, Ezekiel.
Theo, take the corner.
Theo, take the corner kick, dude.
Here we go, Zane. Get ready.
Here you go, Saint. Atta boy, way to battle in there, Saint. Good take.
Clear the ball. Go, Ev. Go, Ev. To Owen, switch it. Stay on it. Oh. Go, turn, Ev. Turn.
Go, Ev, go.
There you go. That's fine. Turn. Give it back to him. Oh. Stay on him, Ezekiel. Stay on him, Ezekiel.
Go, Theo, go.
Keep.
Ball.
There you go.
Nice shot, Theo.
Good take, good take.
To Utley now. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Get rid of it.
Get it up, Theo.
Go, Sean.
Yes, Saint. Yes, Saint.
Get out of here, Ev. In the middle.
Help him out, help him out.
Go, Sean.
Over here, get over
Switch
here.
it.
Get over here. Good job, guys. Good job, Mike.
You're fine, Ev. You're fine. You're fine.
Let's go.
Number 3.
Good throw.
You're fine, Evie.
Ball. Go, Theo.
You're fine.
Take it, 4.
Now.
Sorry, get up, get up, get up, get up. Take it,
Oh,
Theo.
that's in.
Good ball, Theo.
That's in.
Get that one back. Hey, cheer him on, Graybo.
Nice job, Theo.
It's a score, 5-2.
Good job, Theo. Go, Teddy Matt.
Good job, buddy. And get ready, Bubba.
Go attack the goal, Ev. Just like last time. Go attack the goal, just like last time. You take it from that defender. Go. 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 Attack it. Attack it. Attack it. Attack it. Attack the ball, Ev. Oh, my God. Get out of here, Ev. Get out of here.
Good job, Saint.
It's not on you.
Saint, go, Saint. Good job, Saint. Yeah, Saint, good take, dude.
Ev, attack the ball when it's down there. You just stood there.
Yeah, it's just. You see him run back and help Grayson because he knew they've been dropping it there. Love it. Yeah, bro, they're these boys are playing well together. They have them so glad they just put it in spring.
So do I. But I think at this age, that does make sense. Like it's.
Oh.
Good ball. Good job, Theo. Theo's like, all right, if we got to get 7, we're taking care of our business.
And they got 2 games. Yeah, they did.
Good job, Theo. You ready, buddy?
Yeah, and they did.
You're good. Yeah, Dylan, there you go.
I can help you.
Now come get it, buddy.
Take it.
Good job, Dylan. Good ball, Dylan. Go, Theo.
Nice.
Good ball.
Go, Evan. Go. Get. Oh.
Dylan. Good job, Dylan.
Get out of here, Ev. Oh.
Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
Good ball.
Evan, stay up.
Go for it.
Oh.
Go for it.
Keep. Oh, my.
What'd I tell you, Saint?
Go. Corner. Corner, guys.
Charge the keepers. Don't just assume they're gonna catch it.
Work was sad for some parts.
You're right there. You're fine, Evan. You're fine. Clear it out.
Good job, Theo. Good idea. Dylan,
Go up, Ab.
there's Ashcon.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. If it goes to Utley, you go in the middle.
Ready, big guy. Always be
All right,
ready.
open it. Get ready. Oh.
Good job, Saint. Good job, Saint.
Clear it.
Good take.
Pick it up. Now, get ready, Ab. Get ready. Middle. It's all right. It's all right. Get ready, Ab. Keeper. There you go. Turn, Sean. More in the middle, Evan. Middle. In the middle. Ask for the ball now. Send him. Again, stay on him.
Good job, Theo. Good ball. Go, Saint.
Shot!
Take it, Saint.
Play
Oh, man.
it. Play it.
Good play!
We weren't up 6-2.
Yeah, no kidding.
Threw the hands up. He did with that.
Yeah, no,
Towards the goal, Ev.
You ready, but Dilly, Grayson? You ready, buddy? Grayson, pay attention, buddy.
Again, Ali.
Yeah, no, it's definitely, I've gotten more used to it. But when we're going to really,
We're at 47. We got like 6 minutes. Seven minutes. Normally my recording goes to like 53, 54 in America.
Got it. They go to 25.
Yeah, but then when you count my videos
You ready, buddy?
You ready, Ev?
Grayson, get ready,
You
buddy.
ready, Ev? Here it comes.
You ready,
Here
Gray?
it comes.
You ready, Gray?
Sorry, Sean.
Okay.
Yeah, 2-1.
Yeah,
we were
that's-
missing, we were missing Utley, we were missing Go, Ev. There you go. Yeah, and we've been roll, like that was actually.
So you guys finished third in that?
Yeah.
You got some-
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, you guys know what
I know. Yeah, it was a great
I was
game.
just telling. The rain was coming in. We're missing a couple of guys too. Thanksgiving.
Oh, yeah. People took off.
you guys made it through, so you guys were obviously good. Good teams all win.
Yeah. I was just telling him that 2-1 game was the last game that was lost. There you go, Ev. Go.
Yeah, Santa Cruz.
Go, Ev. There you go, Ev. Stay on him. Stay on it. Sorry.
Is that your son?
Josh, yours.
That's why I'm like, you couldn't buy it for 3 weeks. Even when I saw that ball lift, I was like, oh, no.
Is it going to go over?
He plays
I'll take it.
later in the year, the third graders.
Right.
Mike, you can go
Plays for his 14 years.
Yep. So you guys go to a private school? Yeah, it's my son. They do too. That's mine. Their team, they're allowed to play at 5th grade. But
No, they are. They're allowed to play at 5th grade, but because he's a fourth grader.
Get it out of there!
Shot!
They let him play.
that's what.
Why are we?
They might let them. Depends on how many kids. Like they let a 4th grader play
Get
basketball.
it out of there!
Yeah.
Girls.
Yeah.
So you
Shot, Michael!
they let 5th graders, but they might let
Oh, yeah, you know.
because his older brother is 6. They can
Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up!
That's us. That's our ball. Yeah, I'm like, that's our ball.
visit McCall.
Good job, Theo. It's all good. Way to get up.
Drop back.
Shot, Zane,
Take it,
shot.
Zane. Good block. Good block. I'll take it. Go.
Get over, get over.
Try it.
Yeah, they were close together. They were really close together right there.
Don't you put your arms up when you have to extend your diaphragm?
Having that happen to me as a kid.
Are you guys playing the trees? Tall trees? No, this is our last game. Oh, okay. We just found out yesterday that December 16th, 17th. My older son played. They were supposed to play in the throw. Yeah, we normally.
Well, I just meant like, are we going back to Roberts for
Like May. Yeah, that's right. We did last year. And last year we played in the NBA.
What's your favorite thing about
Oh, okay.
the
It was really crazy. The field was that was like last Oh. Yeah, it was December and it was like crazy. Go ahead. He's gonna drop the ball to you, Evan.
You ready, guys? D up.
Owen. Go up. Go, Evan, go.
Black ball.
Deep breaths, Octavio. You're doing great.
Here you go, Evan.
I'll take it.
Sorry, keep pressuring. 64, Evan.
Turn around.
Oh! No. Oh!
You got it, Dylan. Dylan, take it.
Go, Mike.
Good pass, Mike.
Why are we going that way? Go, Evan. Go.
There you go.
Go.
Defense.
You ready, Greg? Get ready. Turn around.
Oh, good block.
Zane.
Good job, Dylan.
Zane. 2 months. No soccer after this.
Leave
Only
it
a
out
couple
there,
minutes
bro.
left. Have fun.
No PlayStation.
That's where you get
I was wondering where you were going with that.
I got a big break.
I know.
2 months
You
break.
ready, Grayson? Get ready, dude. They're about to go.
Tack the ball, Evan.
Remember, use your hands, big guy. Use it to your advantage. Use it to your advantage.
Cross it.
And that's what we would have Christmas.
Go, Evan.
That was our Christmas dinner as well.
Your advantage, Gray.
Yeah.
Again.
And now we don't do that at all for Christmas. But they're growing up. That was
You ready, Grayson? Use your hands, buddy. Smother that ball.
Back post, Dev. Back post.
Use your hands, Grayson.
That's you, Evan.
Keep going, Sean.
Yeah, he's actually fine. Now he's
Shot! Shot!
Clear it.
That was tough.
Again, the 16 thing. It's like the turn it. Leave it. There you go, Owen. There you go. Go. Go, Owen. Pass the ball, Owen. Pass the ball, Owen.
Good job, Saints. Go. Go, Theo. Go, Theo.
Evan, stay with them.
Shot. Take a shot.
Shot, Michael!
Oh, that was like right down the middle. Yeah.
They're more likely to call the strikes, you know?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, when you're. Oh, good save, Zane.
Keep after it.
Up! Owen, up! Pass the ball, Owen! Go, Evan! Send it! Send it back to him! Lay off!
Drop! Keep going, Dylan, keep going!
No, that wasn't on the tackle.
Evan, give some space. Evan.
It's all right. It happens.
Yeah. Incidental. That was playing. They were going for the ball.
Good talking. Yeah, you too, man. Good luck in the tournament. Thank you.
On the spelling bee.